Welcome to another Todd's
2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday.
Brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the only academy that gives you the credentials to become a certified tech and/or certified inspector. So let's go ahead and continue with our summer series here at the National RV Training Academy. Typically, as RVers, when it's summertime, we take vacations. And where do we go? To the coast. Well, when we get over to the coast, one thing that we need to consider is that salty water that gets into the air, and what it does, it begins to destroy our framework. We get rust and everything else. Now, for a lot of you that actually stay on the coast, you already know this, but for a lot of us, we don't know this. And that is, we need to coat our frame, our chassis, with some type of oil residue to help prevent that salty water from taking over and rusting up your frame. Now, some people, what they'll do is they'll go ahead and get some used motor oil and they'll put that on there. Man, that is dirty and it just doesn't even sound right, okay? There are some products, though, that you can actually spray on your frame to help protect against that potential rust. One product of note is called fluid film. Now, I know that there's other products out there. I'm not endorsing one over the other. I just want to talk about the ease of use. Now, this particular application, what this is it allows you to go ahead and spray up under your chassis, good on plastic, good on metals. The only thing that we really want to watch out for is rubber. Now, because there is a petroleum base in here, we really don't want to spray it on rubber. But if it's plastic, your belly board, it's fine to go ahead and spray. But we want to go after the metal. If we spray this on there, what it'll create is a oily film on your chassis, on your frame, and protect against that salty water that may hit. When you're done with your vacation, whatever it is on the coast, you can go wash this stuff off and then go apply it again later on. Now, this particular product called fluid film, they'll actually say it doesn't easily come off with washing. You have to wash it several times. I spoke to them over there and they said that typically, one application a year. So with that, what we may want to do is every time you go out to the coast, if you've got a couple vacations that year, put this on every time before you go out there and wash it off whenever you come back. And you will see that your frame should last a lot longer and have a lot less rust. Now, for those of you up north, it may not be a bad application to go ahead and put this on because, all the salt that they put on the roads. So, not a bad product or a product like this. And again, just to take care of the possible rust on your vehicle. And there's your tick tip. If you want to be able to fix the majority of the problems on your rig, well, let's say you want to open up a business, become a certified inspector or a certified RV technician, head over to our website at NRVTA.com, click on programs, and get started today.
Hello. You put that rubber paint on, it's going to get up under that rubber paint.
Oh, okay. He got some stuff. Is that toys? Let both of us. Who cares? That's it. Well, it says it's good for your chainsaws, but I don't know how many of you actually take a chainsaw with you. Oh, that wouldn't be bad. A pole saw? Because how many times do we end up in a site where there's branches hanging down?
Till it falls off and going down the road.
Oh, I don't even know what I said.
And rubber paint's still there and you won't know.
Why did I say that? Might have to take a pone saw.
It's going to eat everything out.
Bammo, right there. It says it's for fertilizer equipment. I have no clue why you need to spray this on fertilizer equipment, but damn, is it good for it. Let's see, salt spreaders. It's good for salt spreaders, the irony, because I know that all things wear out, maybe a little bit sooner than what we hope. Talk to my knees about that. Vehicle undercoating, boat trailers, leaf springs, chains, slides, hinges, saws, hedges, trimmers, outboard engines, snowmobiles, snow blowers, plows, electrical connections, locks and tools, winches.